Because I think it's possible for us to be kind all the time.
Today we have an assembly for the entire student body, and it is about kindness.
I think that this is tremendously important work.
I reached out to Greg because I saw he's a performer and a presenter, and he does kindness in a fun way.
You'll make a promise that you will be kind, even if it seems impossible. Because I gotta tell you, the trick I'm gonna do to start today seems impossible.
That's why I include juggling. That's why the juggling tricks, or a magical, seemingly magical effect of me balancing a chair on my face, all the things that I do have meaning.
It's really to remind our entire community about how to treat others.
Being kind to people can make a difference.
You need to be positive and be nice to people.
If you don't be nice to people in life, then people won't really be nice to you in life.
Even if you feel tired or grumpy or sad in the morning, it's possible to be kind.
Really, we're creating global citizens from the age of 5. And we want kids to be able to continue these lessons all the way through their life. And as they practice more and more, it becomes just part of who they are. Amazing little people.
I think it's tremendously important that schools have a kindness curriculum, or that they have kindness as a priority. So when the Beaverton School District had me come into so many schools and speak about kindness to their students, it shows where Beaverton's priorities are, and I think that's tremendously important.